Good morning, Minnewaska Middle School. I'm Sarah Suki, the school principal. I am so excited to welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. We know it's going to be full of challenges and things that will change us, but that will make us better on the other side. This year, as we look at the middle school, it's grades 4 through 8, and that will encompass a little bit of our old elementary flair with grades 4 through 6 coming in person in our model, and then 7th and 8th grade will be in a hybrid model as we start out the school year. There are all kinds of things that challenge us with planning and making it a healthy and safe atmosphere. And so the link below on your email has a lot more information into what the school might look like, what a hybrid is for our 7th and 8th grade students, and when you find out information as far as your teacher assignment, schedules, and if you're a student that comes on A days or B days. We hope that this hybrid experience is a little bit short-lived and that we're all in person soon and the numbers look great. But in the meantime, we are really committed to providing a great education for all of our students, and we can't wait to see you. Just a reminder, we start on September 1st. And so if you have any questions or need anything, our offices are fully staffed. You can always connect there or give me a call at the school or shoot me an email. I can't wait for kids to be in, and if you have any needs, please let us know. Enjoy the rest of your summer and the last couple of weeks, and we'll see you soon.